Okay, so good morning. Our topic is customer relation management, system, and strategies. CRMs, systems and strategies play an important role in helping businesses understand, serve, and retain their customers more effectively. At its core, a CRM system acts as a centralized hub where all customer interactions, email, purchases, feedback, support tickets are recorded and analyzed. This helps businesses not only respond to customer promptly but also anticipate their needs. No? For example, a cafe using CRM tools like HubSpot can track a customer's favorite order and automatically send them a discount offer on their birthday, creating a more personalized experience that builds loyalty. And to give us more details about the topic, let us all welcome our presenter. Go ahead.
Thank you very much, Dean. Good morning once again. Good morning, Dean. Good morning, classmates. So today I will be discussing to you the customer relationship management systems and strategies. So what comes into our mind when we hear the word CRM or the customer relationship management? CRM or the customer relationship management systems and strategies are tools and approaches in businesses that businesses uses to manage interactions with customers, both current and potential, aiming to improve customer relationships, enhance service, and increase the sales. They would involve using data and technology to understand customer needs, personalize interactions, and streamline processes across the sales, marketing, and customer service. The CRMs centralize customer data, streamline processes, and provide insights for personalized engagement and better customer experiences. In short, CRM strategy is a plan that would outline how a business will interact with its customers using data and technology. Its purpose is to aim to improve the customer relationships, enhance customer service, and ultimately drive sales growth. So we have here the key components of our CRM. First is the data management or the collection and the analysis. So gathering and analyzing customer data to understand their needs and preferences and behaviors, the CRMs would collect and organize the customer information from various resources, just like the website, the emails, social medias, and etc. They would track interactions between customers and the company, including sales calls, support tickets, and marketing emails. They provide tools for analyzing customer data to understand behavior, preferences, and trends. The CRM would help personalize customer experience by leveraging gathered data. The second key component is the process optimization. It is the streamlining of the processes across the sales, the marketing, and the customer service to improve the efficiency. CRMs would help align sales and marketing efforts, improving the lead qualification and the conversion rates. The third key component is the technology integration. It is utilizing the CRM software to manage the customer interactions and the data. So we are asking ourselves, why is a CRM strategy important? So first, it is offering us an improvement in our customer relationship and services. So by understanding our customers, their needs, we can take the business can actually build a stronger and more loyal relationships. Second is the data-driven decision making. So the CRM system would provide valuable data and insights that would enable businesses to make informed decision based on those data. So by those data, they will be able to know how to market, how to sell, and of course, how to provide more effort in their customer service. Next is the increased sales. The CRM strategy can help sales team identify the leads. And of course, by this, they will be able to manage the pipeline and close deals more effectively, ultimately driving revenue growth, of course, of the sales. So our CRM has different types. So here, I am providing you 4 types of the CRM. First is the operational CRM, which focuses on front-end customer interactions and operational processes. Second one is the analytical CRM, which analyzes customer data to identify trends and patterns. Third is the collaborative CRM, which facilitates data sharing and communication between different departments and teams. And the fourth one is the strategic CRM, which would help businesses develop overall CRM strategies and goals. Examples of the CRM strategies. First is the personalized marketing, using customer data to tailor marketing campaigns and messages to individual customer segments. Second, improved customer service, providing customers with faster, more efficient, and personalized support through CRM systems. Third is the lead management, using CRM to track and manage leads, ensuring that sales teams follow up on promising leads effectively. And the automation, which is divided into two: the Salesforce and the workflow automation. The Salesforce automation is automating tasks like lead qualification or team productivity. And for the workflow automation, it is automating repetitive tasks and processes within CRM to improve efficiency and reduce errors. Considerations when choosing a CRM system. First is the business needs. So the CRM system should align with the specific needs of the business, considering factors like the company size, the industry, and the budget. So if you are an entrepreneur and you have your business, of course, you know the particular needs of your company. You know the total data of your company, and thus you must be able to align the CRM that you are the CRM of your choice based on that data of your company. Second one is the scalability. The CRM system should be able to scale as the business grows. So considering on the growth of a company, your CRM must also go along with it, because the tendency in this modern technological world, the technology is actually fast paced. Now, in your business, you must be able to go along with it. And part of it as well is how you would manage or how you use your CRM in order for you to know the trends in the current and the present days. Next is the integration. The CRM system should integrate well with other business systems and tools. Of course, your CRM must be able to align or build relationship with other systems and softwares so that you will be able to gather more data based on the current trends, particularly the data of your possible customers or your present customers, in order for you to have benefits in the company. Next is the user friendliness. The CRM system should be easy for employees to learn and use. This is actually a challenge to certain generations, considering those um, not who are not very particular or skilled when it comes to technology. So one must consider the friendliness of a software when it comes to their employees, because nga it's part of the reality na hindi po lahat naman alam gumamit ng technology, much more if it's a complicated software. So we should consider the user friendliness of the softwares that we are to use in our company. The benefits of implementing a CRM strategy. Of course, as a business person or an entrepreneur, kinakailangan yung mga moves na natin or yung mga decision natin would always be beneficial to the company. Of course, if it's beneficial to the company, it will be a domino effect to the admin, to the employees, and of course, by that we will be able to give good service to our customers and clients. So here are the benefits of implementing a Number one is, of course, the increased sales and revenue. By improving sales processes and customer relationships, the CRM strategies can drive significant revenue growth because you are now knowledgeable kung ano nga ba yung trend. So most probably, you can go along with it and devise a particular strategy kung paano mo makukuha yung kiliti ng mga clients, ng mga particular na mga customers mo in that specific na nature of business. Number two is the improved customer retention. By providing personalized service and building strong relationships, the CRM strategies can help retain customers and increase customer lifetime value. So, this would refer to your particular na mga customers, no, to be loyal to your business. Using your CRM, you will be able to identify if they are still happy and they are still feeling good, no, with your business or with your products. So by this, you will be able to maintain that good relationship with your clients. Possibly, it will cause loyalty to them to retain and always be loyal to your products or your business. Next is the reduced cost. By streamlining processes and improving efficiency, CRM strategies can help reduce operational costs. Kasi nga, it's more of funneling the idea already, funneling the data from the trends of your customers. So most probably, you will be focusing more kung ano yung mga gusto nila, kung ano yung kailangan nila. So, in your operations, hindi mo na kailangan pang gumastos dun sa mga unnecessary na mga items or unnecessary na mga moves or products. So, it is more of a focused na business strategy kung ano ang gusto nila and kung ano yung current trends din in this present days. Last is the enhanced business efficiency. Your CRM systems can help automate tasks, improve communication, and streamline workflows, leading to increased business efficiency. So, considering that you are able to know the data and the details of your customer, of your business, obviously everything will just follow. Mas madali yung pagpapatakbo mo ng business mo if alam mo kung ano yung target market mo at alam mo din kung paano i-operate yung business mo. So in conclusion, in essence, the CRM is a strategic approach to managing customer interaction that can lead to significant improvements in customer service, sales, and overall business performance. So by this, it will benefit greatly your business, and of course, by having a full idea kung ano yung kinakailangan and gusto ng mga customers and clients mo, you will be able to provide an effective and efficient na service sa kanila, and at the same time, babalik naman sa iyo is a increased sales and revenue, which is a success to both ends, the customer and you as an entrepreneur. So that would be all po for the customer relationship management, Doc. Thank you very much, classmates, for listening.
Okay, more than just tool, no? CRM is a strategic approach to building long-term customer relationship because it involves aligning sales, marketing, and service teams around a common goal, no, customer satisfaction. Because a small travel agency, for instance, may use CRM to segment customers uh, based on travel history, no, sending beach package promotion to past beach goes and beach goers, no, and cultural tour offers to those who enjoy historic trips. Through tailoring communication to preferences, businesses avoid generic marketing and improve engagement. And this strategy not only drives repeat business but also encourages word of mouth referrals, which are invaluable for growth. In today's digital economy, no, CRM systems are increasingly integrated with artificial intelligence to provide deeper insights. And these AI-powered CRMs can predict churn, risk, no, suggest upsell opportunities, or analyze sentiment from customer reviews. For instance, an e-commerce store can automatically detect negative reviews and flag them for immediate resolution, turning a potential loss into a loyalty building opportunity. Whether you're running a startup or a multinational company, CRM strategies helps ensure that every customer feel seen, heard, and valued, making the business more human and customer centric. Okay?